Uh, Good morning. This is,
Hi, Rhonda. How are
hi,
you going?
hi, Kim. I'm really good. I'm really excited to be teaching this workshop with you, Joyful Creation Over the Rainbow. So on the 3rd of October. So
That's right. It's coming up soon.
yeah, we thought we'd just jump on today to give you a little taste of what we're going to be doing in the workshop. So this workshop came out of, I used to live in Maleny, and I learned singing from Kim, and I learned to sing by using my Feldenkrais and all the tips that Kim gave me to sing to help you find the power in your voice. So we thought we'd just do a few of these little things in the next couple of weeks, just to give you a taste of what we're going to be doing in the workshop. So first of all, let's, of course, to be able to sing, we need to breathe. And what I used to do when I go to sing, I'd be go, and I'd be really nervous and hold everything in my throat, as Kim knows.
I remember that.
And I couldn't sing, so or speak. so the most important thing that I've ever done is learn how to breathe into my lower belly. So let's have a little practice of this. So if you take a seat, or you can do this standing, place your hands on your lower belly with your fingertips together, so that you've got your fingers just touching together like this. And imagine that you've got a little fire in your belly about from your navel about 5 centimeters down and 5 centimeters in. So this is what martial artists call the hara, or the tanden. So we're just taking a breath into your belly and breathing into that ball of fire and feeling it expand in all directions, in the front, the back, and the sides. Breathing in and then breathing out. And breathing in and breathing out. And as you breathe in, can you let, if you're standing, can you let your knees bend? And then as you breathe out, can you gently press your feet into the floor so your knees start to straighten a little bit? And you'll feel as you do that, that's different from just normal breathing out, that your pelvic floor will engage, and and your belly muscles will come together and tighten, so that hara in your belly sort of pushes forward as you're breathing in, and then as you're breathing out, it comes back in towards your spine. So you're breathing in and you're breathing out. And you're breathing in, and there's a slight bend in your knees as you do that, so that you get this spring. You know, I think of the divers in the Olympics, when they come to the edge of the board and they go down before they can come up. And so that breathing in and breathing out.
That looks awesome.
Yeah. So
I was watching my own belly there. It's as big as the moon, I reckon. People be able to see that for certain on that image.
yeah.
And I had my little fingers in a heart shape. And when I breathed in, the heart opened up. And then when I breathed out, the heart came back together. It was really, really sweet. That's also the center of our confidence in our life force. And I think it's really important that we can get into that space and really feel that we've got some sort of control over that, because it seems to me in this day and age, there's lots of things going on in our lives which we have absolutely no control over. But this breathing
and breathing out.
And this confidence and I are going to do about self-expression, and how you can express, your feelings in this difficult time that we're facing, and how that kind of empowers you to lead a more fulfilled, more balanced, more centered life.
Okay, so if you'd like to know more about this workshop, and just come along. We'd love you to come along, and if you enjoy this little taster and helps you. And you can book with Try Booking. I've got the little link here. We'll put it into the chat box as well. And hope to see you soon.
Yeah, it'll be great.